Place your camera on the ground towards an angle of elevation, just like what you see on screen. Then record just your leg pressing something inside the ground. Understand? When you are done, lift up your leg and then record an empty background just like this, and you save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. You get my point? Now on Capcut, click on new project. You get my point? Import the video you just recorded to Capcut. As you can see, there was a shake when we tried to place the camera on the ground, so we want to split and delete that shake. So you split and delete the beginning of this video, which is the shake part. So look at from here, let's go to the ending part of the video and delete the shakes also, because when we wanted to leave the camera, it must occur, so we want to go and delete the shake there towards the ending part of the video. Let's go, tap on the layer, then let's go to the ending part. So from here like this, you're gonna just click on split, tap on split, then you delete it. So guys, we want to set how the video is going to start. So let's go from this part. The character wants to bring his leg outside, so you tap on the layer and delete the beginning of the video. So this is how the video is going to start. Understand? So this is how it's going to end with your empty background. Now just minimize and go to your Chrome browser. Make sure you have a picture you want to use for this, then type remove.bg and click the search button. It will bring you to this page where you will see upload image. Click on this upload image, you take it to your gallery, then you bring the picture you want to use. I'm using Zachking. Understand? So I'll give it some time. It's going to remove the background. You get my point? I'm using him because he's he's my senior colleague in this business. You get my point? So look at it here, the background is removed. So for you to have the green background, you tap on background here. Now click on color here, see color here, click on green. So you click done. Understand? Click on done. Now see this blue button here, click on download. It will download the video, the image to your gallery. So when you are done with this, you can now minimize and then go back to your Capcut. I don't know if you get my point. So let's go. So from here, the character needs to be from the beginning of the video. I mean the green background character. So you tap on overlay, add overlay, bring the character right here. So go to remove background, remove BG, click on chroma key, tap on chroma key, move this circle to where to show green, just like that. You can increase the intensity to whether 25 or 30. So you are good to go. Now click on this OK button to go back. You get my point? So look at it here. So what you will need to do from here is setting. You will need to set. Tap on the green layer and drag it to when the character hits his leg on the ground, and that is when you are going to stop. Just like something like this. You get my point? So adjust it to make sure it fits. You get my point? So immediately your leg is on the character's head. Understand? That's where you are going to add keyframe, because we want to bring him down. So you add keyframe there and then move the video a bit. And now the leg is coming down, then you drag the character down. That's to maintain that position under your leg. You get my point? And keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So you just, when your leg is going down, you move the character down so that the head will still be under your leg. I believe you understand. And keyframe will be added automatically. So that is just it, guys. So when you are done with this, all this, you can now export the video, save the video to your gallery. So when you are done, you have to come back to Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. Now you see you recorded an empty space towards the ending part of the video. So from this point here, we need this empty space. You tap on the layer, then you tap on split. Now switch these layers, bring this the empty space to the right, to the left, then bring the other one to the right, just like that. I believe you get my point. So the video will start with an empty background. So now let's go and look for overlay. you click on overlay. Now drag this to the beginning of the video. Understand? Now tap on the empty space, the empty layer. Go and look for freeze. You get my point? So let's go and look for freeze. Where is freeze, bro? Tap on freeze. So now go and tap on the freeze layer. You get my point? Now drag it to the end of the video. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video, so YouTube will recommend this video to many other people. You get my point? You know, we need to grow. So please just do that to encourage us. So now we come back to the beginning of the video. Now let's do the magic right here. So now when the character is about to press the person's head, so what you do from here is for you to go and look for mask. Let's go and look for mask. Where is mask? See mask. So click on mask. Now click on horizontal. We need to use the horizontal. Tap on horizontal, bro. Bring it down. Just bring it down towards the character's leg. I didn't really get his full picture where I could take his full legs, understand? So I had to use this one. So now use this feather icon, adjust it a little so it will not have that line, and you have something like this. So now we need to bring the green screen effect here. So you tap on this navigation button here, it will bring you to where you add overlay. Now bring the effect. Look at the effect right here, but we need to go and remove background. You go to chroma key. You get my point? So go and click on remove BG. Now tap on chroma key. See chroma key here. So move this circle to where it will show green, just like what you see me do on screen. You get my point? So you can increase the intensity to either 25 or 30, and then you can tap on OK. Let's get back to the other page. You get my point? So that is just it, guys. So you can bring it down. Just bring it down to the character's leg somewhere here. Let's do a little setting and expand it. Understand? You need to expand it. Place 2 fingers on your screen to expand it. Do the expansion. Please take your time and watch this video. It looks simple, but if you don't take your time, you might miss it. You might lose something. You get my point? So now you can adjust the effect to somewhere in the middle. You get my point? So you can bring it towards this particular point where the character is going down. And then let's go to the ending part of the video so we can split and delete the ending part of the effect. Understand? So from here you tap on the effect layer, tap on split, and then delete the ending part of it. Do it. So that is just it, guys. So guys, I will have to bring another effect towards where I stamped my leg, and it is a black screen effect. You get my point? So you tap on it, tap on splice. So go and tap on lighten. Now click on OK. Let's go back to the page. So look at it here. Look at the smoke here. So you can now place 2 fingers on your screen to make sure you expand it. You can make it big. Understand? So that the smoke will cover the whole screen. You get my point? So I know some people will be surprised to see the stony effect change color and everything change. Now I will show you how I did that. You get my point? So after removing the green screen, going to chroma key and removing the green color, now you tap on the effect layer. Understand? That's the stony layer. You get my point? So when you tap on it, as what you're seeing on your screen, now what you do, you go and look for splice. You go to splice and then click soft. See soft here. When you click soft, it will blend with the color of the ground, just like something close to what it might not be the exact color of the ground, but something close to the color of the ground you're using. Understand? Then you can adjust the ending part of the effect to align with other layers. I don't know if you get my point in what I'm saying, but if you understand everything, just let me know you understand. So that is just it, guys. And if you want me to mentor you on video editing from scratch, guys, my WhatsApp number is in the description of this video. You chat me, let's strike a deal. You get my point? So see you in our next video.